Hey everybody, Aaron Blaise here, and I don't know about you, but have you ever had trouble drawing good, clear expressions for your characters? I mean, expressions that get across emotion and just clarity of what that character is feeling. This is something I struggled with for so long, but over the years I've been able to develop my own way of approaching really great clear expressions. Well, I'm coming out with a brand new course. We're going to release it March 19th of this year, and it's going to be me talking about my approach to creating good, clear expressions. So I'm really excited for you to see that. I'm really excited for you to get the pre-order. So once again, go over to creatureartteacher.com and you can get that pre-ordered for a really good discount. So that's Drawing Clear Expressions with Aaron Blaise. I can't wait for you to get it. It's going to really help your design, your drawing, your illustrations, your paintings, whatever it might be. So go on out, put some beauty back into the world, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.